Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to install a free SSL certificate on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Hostinger is a powerful web hosting which provides unlimited SSL for all the websites. Before we get started, let's talk about what an SSL certificate is and why you need one for your website. An SSL certificate, also known as a Secure Socket Layer Certificate, is a digital certificate that authenticates the identity of your website and establishes a secure connection between your website and your users' browsers. This means that any data transmitted between your website and your users' browsers will be encrypted and secure, protecting against any potential interception by third parties. Padlock, which you can see, is due to the SSL certificate installed on the website. But SSL certificates aren't just for security, they also come with some SEO benefits. Google gives preference to websites with SSL certificates, so having one can help boost your website's search engine rankings. In addition, users or customers are more likely to trust and engage with websites that have an SSL certificate, as it shows that the website takes their security and privacy seriously. So now that we have understood the importance of SSL certificate, let's get to the main event. Let's install a free SSL certificate on Hostinger. For installing an SSL certificate, first you will need to purchase a web hosting from Hostinger. Earlier, Hostinger used to provide unlimited SSL certificate only on business web hosting, but now they are providing unlimited SSL on all of the 3 plans. After purchasing the web hosting plan, head over to the Hostinger cPanel, or in Hostinger we call it H panel. So you will see there is a tab called SSL. In the SSL tab, you can see all of the domains which you have added in Hostinger. Here you will see the list of domains which you have installed. In my case, I have installed only one SSL which is activated. You will see the list of domains, and from here you can install unlimited SSL for your website. After clicking on install and activate free SSL certificate, you are all set. It's really that simple. In just a few clicks, you have installed a free SSL certificate on your Hostinger website and improved the security and SEO of your website. But that's not all. Hostinger also offers a variety of additional security features such as automatic backups, malware scanning, and firewall protection to keep your website safe and secure. They provide some blazing fast hosting. The support is excellent. The support will reply you within 2 minutes. So guys, this is how you can install free SSL certificate on your Hostinger hosting. If you have any questions installing the SSL certificate, you can comment down below. Please like, share and subscribe to SaaS Junction. Thanks for watching guys, and happy hosting.